person that he picked.
Yeah. In Tagalog, I can't.
Okay, we had Secret Santa. We drew the name.
You guys are not there. Don't worry. Don't think you.
Just watch.
Just watch the show.
But you got presents as kids.
Yeah.
Oo, asan na ba yun?
Ano ba ang tagal nyo ah?
Huwag kang bigyan.
Okay, go. Start na tayo, go.
Video natin.
Ito, tama ito ay magaling magluto. At saka magaling na tatay.
Sino ba yun? Marsha! Picture! One, two, three. Yeah.
Alright, Be! We're gonna open the gifts after.
Okay.
Ako naman?
Gulat na gulat si Joven.
Ano yan pala niyo?
Ako na magbibigay.
Mine is... He's a nice guy, tall, dark, and handsome.
Wow, ang dami ah.
Hindi, isa lang dyan.
Why hide all the way down? Oh my God, how many
Hello,
is there?
food.
All of them for me. Thank you.
That's it.
Yes.
A picture. Wait na. One, two, three. Oh, you're so dark.
My description of that.
Dark handsome nga daw.
What did I was called?
No, registered.
Do you know where you're?
Yes, I know what my gift is.
I go old vision.
Okay.
Mic check. We will get this gift. They need to stress with me again, okay? So be ready.
This girl?
No, not you.
Okay.
This woman.
I didn't see it!
I know her from long time. That long. No. Wrong guess.
All night.
If Susan make a guess, Susan get out. Alright, Susan, you can make a guess. Even guessing, okay? One more guess.
Yes.
Yes.
Who's your guess?
Which your
Me.
guess?
Knock, bang.
Bang.
Ah.
You out now, Susan.
Okay, ready?
Alright, this woman is a very beautiful cook. She's clean freak. She keeps her house very clean all the time.
Me?
What's the wrong description? She's a humble woman. And I think she is... Rachel, not Marsha. It's the only one left. Rachel, that's you. But this is a very weak gift for Rachel.
Yeah, her
Picture. 1, 2, 3. Good.
There you go.
Wow.
Okay. This person, very simple. This person, very simple. She's the smallest, has got 2 kids. She's the smallest.
Two kids pwede, pero smallest.
Small but terrible.
Yay!
Picture.
Picture na.
Wait na.
Sa isa vlog.
Ay, sorry.
Ano ba na nun? 1, 2, 3. Sabay pa. 1, 2, 3.
Thank you.
Okay, no faking ah.
Okay.
There you go, picture.
Not me now anymore. Don't look like me.
So,
I have a feeling it's me.
the one that I got is a friend.
I think it's me. Oh, God.
No, she's the one. She's a very good friend of mine. The longest.
Oh, the longest.
The longest.
to.
Wait.
Oh my!
Tada!
What?
Wow! Grabe naman!
You gotta open.
Wait.
Sobra!
Papay.
Generous!
Again, waki or whatever.
Sana all!
Oh my God, that's a bit.
Oh my God!
Generous! Ang generous!
Okay. I'll open all of them.
Yes, no.
I know last.
Okay, wait. It's time for surprise pick again. This year, who are gonna pick? Can you pick someone, not you? Mason! Alright, now you're gonna give it. Two people left. Yeah? Who's she gonna pick? Her or Elson? Or Daddy? If you say right person, you got a chance to choose. Who she gonna pick?
Because like you just started, right? For example, you put a chair.
Okay, let's see. If she's got Daddy, you got a time.
Okay. So this person is one of the funniest in the group.
Funniest!
Funniest. They both work really hard.
Oh!
And they're not both. She or he works hard and a very, very good parent. Okay? Now I'll give you another chance. Daddy or Marsha?
Just get
Daddy.
Okay. Well, she is a very good friend of Yeah, very
You should choose your own.
This is for you.
Ah!
I can't carry it.
That's why I was like, what? Why? It's so heavy. Heavy was it? I'm not good at it.
Parang alam ko na yan!
Abuhatin mo yung
Pwede ba ganyan na lang? No energy.
I just want energy to carry that one.
Look at you!
Kunwari na lang kumuha ka ng isang picture.
Ayan na, nagturo mo na lang. Next time!
Where's the funny one? Walkie. Hey, good time.
There.
Alright. Kailangan ko ba ma-explain to?
Explain this.
Okay. He's the handsome, generous, very, very nice person and the kindest person in the group. My gosh, I can't explain. Oh my gosh. Man, labas mo na yan. Nandito. Baba, can you open this?
Ay, grabe.
Explain. Ano na naman yan? Baba. Go up.
Bless you.
Get the green one. Please.
So big.
Yeah, punishment.
Paano for mommy?
Pareho pa kami ng rapper! Pareho pa kami ng rapper!
It's heavy.
Oh my
God.
Thank
Hug. Okay, picture. One, two, three. One more. One, two, three.
Alright, let's start. But before that, we can actually give something sa kids.
Para sabay-sabay mag-open.
Parang sabay-sabay. No.
Oh, okay.
Alam ka?
Buksan na. Paano sasakyan ko to eh? Sasakyan niya ito eh. Yay! It's camping time! Parang talaga taga-Amalia eh. Naganyan kami. Kasi iniwanan namin. Maganda yun. Thank you so much. Ito yung ano kasi pag nag-camping yan.
Ay, nabasa! Sorry.
It's
Liza.
headboard.
Sorry,
It's
nabasa.
a headboard.
Oh my gosh, so
In case you don't know.
Mason.
say Elijah?
Big boys.
Open mo na, babe! Let's open it!
Wait, Marsh, this one's for Amalia.
Ah, okay.
Amalia.
That's for daddy.
Oh, I also have a present for Amalia.
Baby girl. It's me. Yeah. Merry Christmas,
Apa,
Amalia.
mag-story pa ka. Thank you. Nakakain niyo yung computer. Plastic, pwede yan. Plastic yung plastic pa.
What's this, Mama?
Anong plastic? Ito? Wow, really? You don't think?
Amalia, baby.
You can put it here.
Alright, Mason, you want to trade with two of that?
Let's open!
Two and
Wait. Open it tayo!
You can read this one. Okay, this one. Read this one.
what about three?
Babe, let's open.
Wait! Okay, you open that one. That one, we can use it. We have to use
Why are you
it.
opening it?
Yeah, you can open!
Oh, you're not seeing that.
We have to match it.
Parang alam ko na to ah.
I know that.
So, do you know where we can use it?
What's inside? Dream tower.
Cannot. We have to. That's your song.
Wait for your
Babe!
Yes. Okay. This one you have to start.
Oh, you put it out. 1 second.
We're shopping!
Who get my one? Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Now I can get my
No, that's all. Let's go open.
Yeah, no, this one I got. Hey, that's the last one.
No worries, Ron.
Oh my. That's all. Akala ko, hindi
Toys.
Yan ang una
Yan,
mo.
like a story.
Yan ang una mo eh. Pero kung gusto mo pa, siguro nakalimutan mo na yan.
Babe!
So, kapag gusto mo siya,
Gusto mo nun?
Tapos, yung kaka-check ko lang kagabi, nagtatatagal siya. Ano yung kay Joey?
Di ba yung
Para kay Amalia.
Oh my God.
Ah, pero hindi na
Wow, kain lang bro, ah.
Kain
Kain ng gulong lang.
Ano yan? Kasi nakita ko lang. Ano yan? Party mo na ulit mo. Watch mo. Baka, dyan mo ilalagay. Sorry. Ay, yung pagkain mo rin.
Mamaya mo na ito.
Yan, that's the last one. Yan, in-order ko pa talaga. Yeah. Oh, sana.
Oh, what?
Kailangan ka lang maglagay para malagay yun. It's an ornament.
Therefore, it's
Oh my God.
Ano yan?
May una siyang ribbon.
Oh my God.
Wala, wala.
Ay, yung ano ba?
Di ba yun yung may mapupuya? That's why I told her she needs to have a tree. So we can put the
Oh my God.
candy cane.
Okay na.
Okay! You guys move now! We have
The girls first, girls turn.
girls' turn, ladies! Ladies' turn!
Okay, you enjoy it.
Ano?
Hello, you like that?
Yeah!
Amalia, open.
Malia, open, open!
Girls' turn.
Uy, grabe!
You can put the
Galing to sa'yo, Kim?
Yes.
Grabe!
Wala na siya.
Saan ka ba to?
Ano siya?
Ay, may baby yan.
Pero yung doon, that's the good one. Kaso, that's medyo mali.
Ay, my God.
Oh!
No, you got one.
What about me?
Okay, you two one. Okay, big one is already gone.
$5.
Can you show your prize? Can you show your one?
How much is it?
839 for you one.
Keep swap. Keep
Amalia.
Yes, in order ko yan.
Next year, mag-aano na si Amalia. Okay, long gift. My long gift.
So, may laruan na tayo. Laro ba nito?
This one is from
Maglaro na tayo.
Oh, pang-winter.
Ano? James.
Pang-swimming.
Forget Amalia. Kasama ko na.
Oh, welcome, baby.
Kuya, gusto ko masuot niya yan ah.
Oo, lahat.
That's for me.
Ate Lucero, nagbigay ka na. Thank you.
That's tall.
Pwede na gamitin na sa daycare.
What's this?
Kay Adam. Adam, open it.
Ash, balik mo. Para mami.
Open your present na. This one from Mom.
Yeah, open it. From Mama and Papa.
May skin.
Happy graduation. Say congratulations to Adam. Congratulations.
Wow.
Where's your soccer shoes? Kuya Aaron Bud.
Kompleto na!
And then you got the jersey. The thing.
Yeah.
You're a soccer player now, right?
Is that the jersey that you like?
Hey, good son.
Be careful, ha?
Siya, interview ko.
Yeah. Put it on the side. Be careful. Kasi Amalia. You have a goal now.
Binigay ko yung kay ano, di ba?
Dami ng bola.
Eh, nasa iyo ba yung kay
Tapos
Laika?
may sapatos. Jersey.
Be careful kay
Laro na
Amalia.
lang.
Okay.
Okay, girl.
Ladies naman.
Ladies turn. Bilisan mo, may pasok pa ako bukas.
Just the brain.
May pasok. Yan, yun ang mga pakaano.
Give it
Ang
to
ganda
you,
ng packaging. Huh?
No?
Alam niyo naman din lang ako. Akala ko dahil na ganito. Okay, ito na Paano ka ganito? Sabi na kapalo.
Kapalo. Dapat may video mo. Ash, alam mo sa pang...
Sila magbibideo.
Pang-
Kasi naka-video ako overall eh.
Saan ko naka-video? Ay, meron bang overall video?
Oo.
Makasigaw naman ako. Hindi na Nag-tenure na
Sige,
yun.
sabi na yung aking person doon.
I'm not confident.
Where is... Oh, no, man, give me that.
Why?
Because I'm giving back to na. Ay, di ba na? Ay, napakalitan mo.
You don't even know what inside there.
Wala. These are the ones from the blue one. Look, I have it in a blue packaging and you put it away. This is colorful
But you have this one there.
Yeah,
now.
look at the toy. Where's the blue packaging?
Look at it.
Pwede.
Binigay ko na yung ano. Binigay ko na yung
Isa.
Atin yung inis ko. Akin na tuloy para itatapos ko para sa video.
Pwede. Nasaan ba?
Oo, kasi hindi nyo maano.
Nandoon.
Ayan. Ay, may...
Apat ba to? Wait lang.
Earrings mo.
Wait, where did you put it?
See?
No, I was here. I was here.
Oh, Adam, try it.
Kanino to?
Naglalaro.
Where did you put it?
Let's do it.
Pero one drop in sida.
Ate, nasa baba?
Okay.
Yeah, it's in the bag.
Ready?
Wait lang.
Ala! That one's small size.
Ay, ganun ba? Okay, ready?
Wait. I'm looking for another.
Sasama ko yun. Kasama ko na lang yun.
Oh.
Ay, no.
I found another envelope. I keep the envelope.
Kainin ko na nga kanina eh.
Ay,
Start na?
Yes.
No, only girls. Okay. Sino mag-start?
Sinasa mo video?
ako na mag-start, oh.
Wait, nasa ginawa ko. Sabi to
Ako may random ako kaya kumuha na lang kayo.
Ayan, patay ko na ng mobile. Para naka-circle tayo. Dito lang isa.
Dalit, ay.
Ano ba ganyan na? Ganyan. Kasi ako na nag-start eh.
Okay.
Wait!
One,
Wish you a
two, three. Ay, dapat sa dulo.
So we'll just grab it.
Why?
Ikaw na.
My turn?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a number.
Sorry.
I know, right?
Ako muna. One, two, three.
Tayo. One, two, three.
Uy!
Wala, hindi ko na pinalo.
Sa isa pa lang? Ano ba ba?
Okay, ready?
Okay. Yes. Okay.
Ang dami na.
Wait, meron ako! Sige.
Ano? Okay, 1, 2, 3. My turn, my turn. Ready?
Hindi ko muna ilalagay yun kasi baka parehas tayo eh. Teka lang.
Mikey.
Yes.
Okay, who has to finish colors?
Baka winner.
Ay, yung sa akin, please buksan nyo kasi meron tayong isa. Buksan nyo sabay tayo.
Asa man yung sabay?
Sabay nyo buksan.
Ay, ano pala?
Ito.
Michelle.
Ano ito po?
That's mine. Oy,
Open.
Ay, meron ka.
Wala ka sa car. Di ba meron ako, be? Sa car.
Another.
Kasi mo sa Ang galing. So, ang tip ko dyan, pag nagpunta tayo ng holiday, pareho tayo ng toiletries.
Eric.
Talaga ang dami kong pinapir.
Ako nilagay ko na sa loob.
Ganda mo!
Ah, share, right?
Never mind.
Ayan.
Babe!
Ayun, remember this one? May clip din. Hindi na ako manghihirap ng clip sa'yo.
I was looking for this color yesterday.
It bounces off my mouth. Oh, nice.
Thank you.
Tapos, ito, nung sabi mo nakita ko, sabi ko, wala ka. Hindi ko masabi na meron ka.
Ay!
Pero hindi ko na nilagay sa
Oo.
card na meron na.
Meron na ako. Open this one too.
Tapos ito, ginagamit ko talaga. Eh, buksan mo na yung akin.
Ha?
Hindi ko alam. Salamat siya! Thank you!
Hindi natin paglagyan.
Salamat ko ba?
I love this!
Maraming salamat!
Yes! Ito, meron na akong maglagay sa bag ko. I've been waiting for this. Hesitant pa naman akong bumili.
So yan, kailangan na talaga natin itong holiday para ang gamit natin. Pati yung gift.
Wala pa ako nito. Yes!
Okay na to.
Diba yung lagi sa kanya?
I think it's
Love it.
fresh sparkling snow. Bet ko to.
Parang ano tayo ah.
Where?
Ikaw, ano mo? Ano te?
Ako okay na ako doon.
The perfect Christmas.
Ako naman ito.
Oh.
Snowy peach berry. I love it.
There's one more here.
Yeah, worth it. I love
Pati
it.
Christmas pare-pareho tayo.
Uy, sa akin to ha?
Parang nakakalimutan.
Banyak kerok. Kopi apa yang sering gawin mga
Ano, Car?
Okay.
Hindi mo kinuha yung isa.
Picture na natin.
Wala yung sa ano ko. Dinala ko talaga yun eh.
Most time I'm ever gonna do this.
Tapos wala sa akin yung...
Yung floor.
Ay, iba to.
Ano sa atin ganyan no?
Magkunin mo nga. Wala to?
Jam.
Oh, hindi mo nadala.
Ay, sayang. Nasa headband ko. Baso. Wala akong baso.
Di ba nagbigay nun?
Yun lang mo na.
Oh, yes. Sa ano, te? Sa kay Mark. Akala ko nga, mas malaki yun.
1 2 1 2. Come on.
Ayun,
1 2.
ganda. May pang...
1 2 1 2.
Ang team ko dyan, talaga. Sino natin ang holiday? Oo, dapat may ganyan tayo.
Parang feeling ko ang ancient ko naman sa
Good job! Good job!
You can hold it. Alas mabigat yan. Okay.
Kung ganito ka
Paano yun? Mabigat yan to. Ano lang? Tapos
Ganda na! Pinili natin. Sana ako na sa ganyan. Pero mas okay na ako sa camping namin. Camping kitchen yun, di ba?
Wait, may use nito ah.
Hindi ko nga talaga yung akin eh.
Wala ka, picture na lang ganyan.
Ate, siya yan.
Son, pa-picture ka kami, son. Please. Ganyan ka lang.
Dapat nakahilera tayo. Tapos hindi
Hindi, ganyan na lang. Wala na akong energy.
Scary!
Maganda ka, oh.
Bye!
Pa-picture lang kami.
Beses ka na ako. Usaya kami.
Wait lang. Ay, wait lang.
Bisaya ka rin po pala. Wala ka. Amin na lang.
Model pa tayo.
Ikaw ba?
Taga-ano po, Manila,
Manila
sa Rizal. Malapit lang sa Manila. Taga-ano.
Thank you.
Magtatanong po.
Sumpungin ba naman eh?
Ayos naman. Pag gusto ko dito, sa Pinas. Wala tayong buhay dito.
Kasi siguro kasi yung sa background natin gumagalaw.
Guys, I'm sorry. Ito kay akin? Sa'yo.
Mag-isa ka gusto?
Andito po mama ko sa Liverpool.
Layo.
Pati yung kapatid ko. Hindi pa marunong. Wala pa.
Ikaw.
Kaya nga.
English lang. Kung trabaho sa... Ano ba trabaho mo?
Sa Bella po.
Ano to? Gingerbread?
Hindi!
Hindi.
Bakit ka ng cookies?
Kano ko gingerbread?
Bakit ka ng cookies pag nag-bake?
Maganda rin yun.
Oo. Alam mo ba kung gusto yung small game? Meron talaga akong game order.
Pa-practice
Sa
din
atin
ako
nila,
ng
pinapos ko yan. Nila, ano?
PR.
Uy, nasaan na naman yung bag ko? Ayun yung bag mo, kinukuha mo yung bag ko.
May personalize lahat.
Magaan pag marunong ka na. Pero pag natututo ka pa lang,
Kaya kailangan dito
So worth it this year. Okay, let's do another game.
practice nga ako nung nagda-drive na ako nung sa Bella eh.
Alin mo? Alin mo?
Sa orbit na malaki, tapos mali. Sa electric, hindi throttle lang.
Kaya pala nagtatanong. Ano yun?
Ayaw, masaya.
Daya ako sa pag-ano.
Walang sa truck.
Daya ako mami.
At least yung nakuha ko ano, bake.
Ingat ka. Kandot ka. Pag
Ayun lang. Nakakatawa din minsan pagpalita yung mali.
Sige. Okay. Enjoy kayo.
Mabilis lang naman kung lisensya ng forklift. Mas mahirap lang din ang exam. 3 days. 3 days.
Kasi bakit $10 pa ako? May pamasahe pa ako. Bawi yung pamasahe ko pa ako.
Kaya ako 3 days. Mahal lang. 700.
Alright. Next na kayo. We're gonna play games again. Adam.
Ang forklift. Ano ba bang trabaho nyo yun? As a forklift din. Malaki na ito ng forklift. Mababa na ata yung 35 ng forklift. Mababa yun. Lalo pag may
Mars, madami ganyan,
license
wala
ka.
Ganyan lang. Kuha na lang.
Mas importante na Kamu may pasok pa ako alas 4. Babiyahe kami 4. Kasi Karen ba pa yung pupuntahan namin eh. Ano yun?
Wala yan. Wala, hindi ako nakabili ng ano eh. Ng lollies.
Doon ka na nakakabongko eh.
So walang laman yun?
Wala, isang lolly lang.
Ay, no, thank you.
Pagkampante ka na, doon ka na nakakadisgrabe eh.
May tawag siyo. May ganito din ako. May pero ano, para
Talaga lang.
wala akong mag-reply.
Talaga lagi may presence of mind.
Yeah.
Carlo, you haven't eaten.
Wala, yun lang. Doon sa ano, naputok yung gato yung wall. Ginawa ako ng paleta, yung gilid, nagilidan ko. Tumama yung kanto, butas.
Ano